Let's make refreshing tandoori mint chutney, which you can pair with your favorite snacks, and it tastes really good with tandoori chicken and other chicken recipes. For this mint chutney, you will start with yogurt. I'm using around 200 grams of yogurt here. You have to whisk your yogurt until it becomes smooth and free of all the lumps. The smoother your yogurt, the tastier your chutney will be. Next, I will take a mixer grinder jar and I will use a handful of fresh cilantro. Please wash your cilantro well in order to remove all the dirt and impurities. Next goes some green chilies. I am using 4 green chilies here, but you can adjust the quantity as per your spice level tolerance. Next I will add 1 spoon of yogurt. Here goes my 1 teaspoon of table salt. Next goes half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Next I will add the black salt here. I am adding approximately 1/4 teaspoon of black salt powder here. Next we will add the lemon juice. You can add a fresh lemon or you can also go for concentrate just like me. Next we will need some roasted cumin. I am going to freshly roast my cumin. We will add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and we will roast it until it gives the amazing fragrance. Now I will add the freshly roasted cumin, and the last thing I am going to add here is mint powder. It's highly suggested to go for fresh mint if it's available, but you can also use this powder just like me. We will add around 1 teaspoon of pudina powder here. Now I will add 100 ml of water and let's grind it. Now we will add this spicy and tangy chutney to our yogurt. I will use some water for the leftovers and now mix it well with your yogurt. Guys, your amazing green chutney is ready. You can use this as a dip with your tandoori chicken or other chicken dishes. It can also be used with Indian appetizers. You can also use this chutney as a spread for your sandwiches. I have made another video on mint chutney which was made without the use of yogurt. Guys, this chutney tastes amazing and you would love to include this chutney with your samosas, pakoras or other Indian dishes. Well, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.